Okay, in this clip, I'm going to show you how to convert Photoshop elements into a movie symbol. Okay, first off, you can see that I had already created these 5 graphics into button symbols. You can see by the hand, they're now buttons. And what we're going to do is, they're sitting on top of a platform, and we're going to make this platform the movie symbol. And we're going to include all these buttons on top of it. So right now they're just on our stage, and what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to turn off my simple buttons. I'm going to select the platform, go into Modify, Convert to Symbol. We're going to choose Movie Clip, we'll name it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my buttons, all 5 of them, and I'm going to cut. Now right on the stage, I'm going to double click and go into edit mode for my movie symbol. So click on the platform, double click, and you can see now we're editing the movie clip. I'm going to create a new layer here, and then I'm going to paste my buttons.